Today, I'll guide you on how to stream on Kick using your mobile phone. It's a straightforward process, so be sure to stay tuned till the end to catch all the vital steps. To begin, open your Kick application on your mobile phone. Once launched, you'll encounter an interface like this. Proceed by clicking on the profile option, which you'll find at the bottom right corner. To initiate your live stream on Kick, you'll first need to create an account. Alternatively, you can sign in using your Google account. After successfully signing in, return to the profile option. Now you should see the settings option. Note that on the Kick mobile app, the settings may not be readily visible. To access it, simply open your Google Chrome browser and sign into your Kick account there. Accept the terms and conditions as prompted. Once done, click on the profile option once more, located at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll be able to see the settings option. Click on it, and then proceed to the Stream URL and Stream key. Here, you'll want to copy either the Stream key or URL and share it with your contributor. Now, connect your Kick app to the desktop version of it. With these steps completed, you'll be all set to successfully stream on the Kick app. I hope this guide has been helpful to you.